farmers, welcome to the Ecofarms and Agroservices channel. One of the greatest challenge farmers have been facing is grappling with the struggle of common knowledge on how to manage crop husbandry in protected cultivation. We have worked with farmers extensively to overcome these challenges that cut across right crop husbandry, consistency in greenhouse production, common pest challenges, as well as market linkage and a number of other challenges. The Ecofarms and Agroservices Resource Center has worked extensively to research on some of these key challenges, develop common and affordable solutions to these challenges, and we have put this into a document and produced a book that you could read. This book is designed to give you key knowledge on how to overcome this challenge in a practical as well as hands-on experience. We encourage you to make orders for this book. We encourage you to visit us and get a copy for yourself. We trust and hope that this document will become a game changer for your cultivations in your farm and increase your productivity.